Okay, so what we have here is a failure on the engine of the 32 liter. So we have no power. What we did was we grabbed the Barnes pump, the gear drive pump, on the cooling side. And you can grab it also on the agitator, but the hoses are matched up on the cooling. So we use the cooling side. We're firing up, running it to the boom filter, from the boom filter to the boom manifold. Now as the boom returns the oil, it returns it back to the tank. So we have a problem. So now we have to get the oil from the tank back to the donor pump, because as we use this, it's going to lower. So that's what we did, and that's what we got for the filter cart. So that's sucking oil, and we're running the two together. One's pushing, one's sucking back the tank to keep the oil. Okay, so I'll go around the machine without turning it on, and you'll see the oil start dropping. Somewhat level. One machine's pushing, the other one's pulling. Now I'll start raising the boom up manually, because you can't do it electronically because there's no electric coming from the truck, and that disengages the e-stop manifold, so you're not going to be able to turn the power on the truck, so we bypass that. So that's the reason why we got to do it manually. Slow because the pumps are different. You know, you got a gear cover pump, and then you got a downside relief pump that has an internal regulator, so it's capable of moving more oil. Barnes pump's only made to move, 13 liters a minute, whereas that pump's made to move 25 liters a minute. So the pumps are different. So the boom operates slow, but it does move.
Don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can go to our website, liveequipment.com, and you can see a complete list of equipment we have available for sale, or just keep navigating through this channel. Have a great day.